What if I told you that in less than 60 seconds, you could lift your entire face? No surgery, no filters, no expensive creams. Just one tiny change with something that's already sitting in your makeup bag. Yes, I'm talking about eyeliner. But not the heavy, sharp kind that used to rule our beauty routines. I mean the smart, invisible kind, the one that softly lifts, defines, and makes you look instantly more awake, as if you've just had the best nap of your life. Welcome, my radiant friends, to Elder's Lantern, where age isn't something to hide, but something to highlight beautifully. Because the secret to looking youthful isn't in chasing trends, it's in mastering elegance. Today we're uncovering one of the simplest, fastest, and most powerful tricks every mature woman should know. A 1-minute eyeliner secret that brightens your eyes, lifts your expression, and gives that confident, I still got it kind of glow. So go grab your mirror, because once you see how this little technique transforms your face, you'll never look at eyeliner the same way again. Ready to learn the magic that makeup artists wish every woman over 50 knew? Let's begin with the mistake most of us don't even realize we're making. Here's the truth. Eyeliner can either lift your eyes or drag them down. And most women over 50, without realizing it, are doing the latter. When we were younger, we could pull off thick, dark, winged lines and it looked fabulous. But as our skin changes, that same technique starts doing the opposite. The skin around the eyes becomes softer, lids less firm, and harsh lines only make them look smaller or tired. It's not your eyes that changed, it's the texture around them. The second mistake? Lining the entire waterline or lower lash line in black. It closes off the eyes and emphasizes shadows. Instead of defined and lifted, you get heavy and droopy. And let's be honest, we often try to correct this by adding more eyeliner, which just deepens the problem. The truth is, less is more, but placement is everything. Once you understand where to apply your liner and what color actually enhances your natural tones, your whole face lights up. Your eyes look wider, lashes fuller, and your entire expression softer. Not overdone, just effortlessly elegant. Coming up next, I'll show you how to choose the perfect eyeliner color that flatters mature eyes, brightens the whites, and takes 10 years off in one gentle stroke. Here's a little secret that makeup artists whisper behind the scenes. Black eyeliner isn't always your friend after 50. It can be too harsh, too flat, and it fights against the softness that mature eyes naturally have. The result? A look that feels sharp instead of graceful. So what should you use instead? Switch to softer, warmer tones, and watch the magic happen. Try deep brown, soft plum, charcoal gray, or espresso. These shades define without hardening. They add depth, not darkness. For blue eyes, go for a gentle bronze or copper. It makes your eyes sparkle. For green or hazel eyes, plum and taupe bring out their natural warmth. And for brown eyes, charcoal or espresso makes them look richer and more alive. If your eyes are sensitive or watery, which happens to many of us, try using a waterproof pencil but in a smudgeable texture, something that lets you soften the edges with your fingertip or a small brush. That blurred, diffused line gives your eyes a youthful glow, as if you're wearing eyeliner and eyeshadow in one stroke. Remember, you're not painting a frame, you're creating a shadow of definition. That's what flatters mature eyes most. Not sharpness but softness. Next, let's learn exactly where to apply eyeliner to lift the eyes naturally. No wings, no stress, just pure elegance. Now for the magic, the lift without surgery, the trick that changes everything. Forget the thick winged line that used to work in your 30s. On mature eyes, that heavy flick can make the lids look droopy or uneven. The new rule? Lift softly, don't drag sharply. Start by gently tightlining. That means applying your eyeliner right into the base of your upper lashes, not above them. Use tiny dots or short strokes between the lashes. This makes your lashes look thicker and your eyes more defined, without any obvious line. Next, stop your liner at the outer third of the lash line. Don't carry it all the way in, it closes the eyes. Instead, use a fingertip or a small smudge brush to blend upward and outward, following the natural shape of your eye. Think of it like lifting the corner instead of drawing a line. If you want a little more lift, use a lighter eyeshadow tone like champagne or soft beige. On the inner corners, it catches the light and instantly opens the eyes. In 1 minute you'll see it. The eyes look lifted, the whites look brighter, and your whole face feels more awake. No dramatic wings, no tugging. Just a subtle elegance that whispers confidence. Up next, we'll talk about how to make that lifted look last all day, without smudging, fading, or melting. You've perfected your lift. Now let's make it stay. Because there's nothing worse than looking flawless in the morning and smudged by lunch. The good news? Keeping your eyeliner fresh all day isn't about using more product. It's about using the right kind in the right way. Start with a clean, oil-free eyelid. A tiny bit of eyeshadow primer or even a dab of concealer and translucent powder creates a smooth base that locks the liner in place. Think of it as setting a tiny canvas that grips your makeup gently but firmly. Next, if you have watery eyes, a common issue after 50, avoid the inner corners. Instead, focus on the outer 2/3. That's where your liner will have the most impact and the least smudge risk. Layering also helps. Use a pencil or gel liner first. Smudge it slightly for softness, then tap a bit of matching powder eyeshadow over it to seal the color. It's like giving your eyeliner a top coat of elegance. And finally, resist touching or reapplying during the day. Mature skin responds best to minimal handling. The softer you are, the smoother it stays. With these tweaks, your eyeliner won't just last. It will look better as the day goes on. Fresh, natural, timeless. Next, let's finish with something every elegant woman should know. The invisible eyeliner trick that makes people think you woke up glowing. This next part is pure genius. The no makeup secret that makes everyone wonder what changed. It's called the invisible eyeliner. No harsh lines, no visible strokes, just naturally defined, youthful-looking eyes that radiate softness. Here's how it works. Instead of drawing above your lash line, you gently apply the eyeliner under the lashes, right into the upper waterline. Use a waterproof, creamy pencil, preferably in brown or charcoal, and press it between the roots of your lashes, not on the lid itself. At first it might feel strange, but once you see the effect, you'll never skip it again. Your lashes will look fuller, your eyes brighter, and your whole look more lifted. Yet no one will be able to tell why. It's subtle sophistication at its best. Makeup artists love this trick for older eyes because it defines without adding weight. It brings back the contrast our eyes naturally lose with age, without any of the harshness of visible eyeliner. For even more glow, pair it with a touch of pearl-toned eyeshadow on the inner corners and a bit of mascara at the outer lashes. You'll look rested, graceful, and confident, not done up, just naturally radiant. Now that you've mastered the invisible lift, let's wrap it up with one final touch. The confidence finish that ties this entire look together. Here's the truth, my beautiful friends. Eyeliner isn't really about makeup. It's about energy. It's about reminding yourself that your reflection still matters, that your face still tells a story worth highlighting. When you master these soft, age-smart techniques, you're not chasing youth, you're refining it. You're saying, I've earned these years, but I'll show up glowing anyway. Because confidence doesn't come from the thickness of your liner. It comes from how you carry your grace. So before you step away from that mirror, do one simple thing: smile. Because nothing lifts the eyes, the cheeks, and the spirit quite like that quiet spark of self-assurance. And if anyone tells you makeup doesn't matter after 60, smile again, because you know better. It's not about hiding. It's about highlighting who you've become. That's the real 1-minute lift. Not from the pencil, but from within. So next time you pick up your eyeliner, don't think of it as a line. Think of it as a signature. A reminder that you can still define yourself however you wish. Softly, powerfully, beautifully. You haven't aged out of beauty. You've graduated into it.